Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin access and enabling integrations. This gives you the permissions to import and automate. Next, prepare a clean CSV and map columns to Redtail fields. This avoids mismatches. Once done, run the preview and resolve duplicates. Make sure to use the system's duplicate rules to retain the primary record. Finally, set user roles and default pipelines so everyone follows the same process from day one, which prevents permission errors later. You now organize data and build automation to save time. Create custom contact fields and tags so filtering and reporting reflect your process. This matters when you scale. Then build workflows using triggers, task templates, and email templates. Once triggered, tasks populate automatically. Make sure to sync calendars and set reminders so appointments and follow-ups match real availability. Also configure recurring tasks for routine activities. Doing this reduces manual errors and keeps client servicing consistent. You finish by validating everything and addressing issues. Run targeted reports to confirm imported records, workflow completions, and user activity. Review anomalies immediately. Once verified, merge or archive duplicates and correct field mismatches so data integrity is solid. If automations misfire, check sync logs and API error messages for the root cause. This reveals whether mappings, permissions, or external systems are failing. If problems persist, temporarily disable the workflow, fix the source record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.